Assalamualaikum brother, sister. Naka-apply na po mag voice over. Yeah boy. So here's our quick stop going to Sugar Beach, Sipalay City. So if you haven't watched my first video on Facebook, just enjoy this video until the end, and if you like it, you can share it or not. Thank you. Yeah boy. So this is the next day na sa stay namon in Sipalay. So stayed only for one night because mabilis na talaga yung yung stay namin dito. Pero since sige ulan, bumabagyo, so we decided na to find a house. So we tried to look up sa mga houses dito sa Sugar Beach again, but we couldn't find because they said it's fully booked. So we tried the houses right before the bridge na mag-cross ka sa Sugar Beach. So we found this Daniels. It's very good. It's a new house and it's very clean. So we rented 2 rooms and it's very wide and it's very overlooking. Kung maganda lang talaga sa ngayong panahon, makaka-ligo kami kasi mga bagyo. And right here we're going home because we have to attend something. And it's not far from the highway, and then there's a lot of travelers talaga na pumunta dito kasi maganda yung view, especially if ma-reach mo yung Sugar Beach talaga dun sa dulo. And right here, if you're going straight, that's going to Sipalay City. And if you're going left, this is going straight also sa Kapankalan City. And you can use your Google Map or Waze to know the way, kasi pag hindi ka gagamit ng Waze or map, baka mawala ka, magpunta ka dun sa direct sa Oriental. So after here, wala ka na may makita dring a view, kami na lang kag mga turn left, turn right. So I hope you enjoyed the little information. Kay quick stop mo lang tanay ka lang kay nag-overnight. So see you, bye bye.